think the most important 3 points are, one of them is the technology it's behind, working principle. The other one is robust design, I can say. Then one is the after-sales service of our brand name is really in a high quality, which brings us more success even in sales later on. Actually, right now with the technology we have, we can manufacture a lot of parts which are not possible with these systems, like linked onsetted parts and so on. So we are a little bit, let's say, defining the trend in the jewelry market also. This leads us to sell our systems all over the world, starting from Mexico, Spain to Indonesia, India, everywhere. This is bringing this technology and the parts which we are not possible to manufacture before is bringing us to a point in the world in jewelry field like that.